right, good morning and welcome back. Today we're going to continue working with our arc lengths. If you look here at example 1, once again we're going to use our formula 2 pi r times theta divided by 360. The difference is on example 1 here, instead of being given r, we have d. Remember, d stands for diameter, so if the diameter is 24 feet, then to find the radius, just divide by 2. Radius is half the diameter, so 24 divided by 2. Our radius will be 12 feet, okay? So we're going to do 2 times pi times 12 times 32 degrees over 360. And we're rounding to the nearest tenth, it says. So once again, I recommend use the Desmos. And we said it was 2 times pi times 12 times 32 divided by 360. We get 6.7. The next one's a 0, so we keep it as is, 6.7 feet. Remember, it's not squared because it's a distance. It's not area, so 6.7 feet. That's what we have. All right. On the next one, it'll be example 2 here. It'll be the same approach, except this time they give us the radius right there. So we don't need to do divide by 2, just as is. 2 times pi times 21 times 244 over 360. So we'll do the same thing. 2 times pi times 244 times 360. Or sorry, 244. Oh, what am I doing? Times 21 times 244 over 360. We get 89.43, so we'll round to 89.4. Once again, 89.4 feet. And that's our answer. Now, the only difference on these next ones are, notice it says leave the exact answer. It's going to involve a fraction. So, same approach. We have r 2 times pi times r, which is 13 times 90 over 360. First thing we're going to do as we're reducing is get rid of those zeros. They're each divisible by 10. I like to get rid of that. Okay, now at this point there's some flexibility. We're trying to reduce. So, see where you can find something you can reduce. I noticed 9 goes into both 9 and 36. So 9 goes into 9 one time, goes into 36 4 times. Now from here, 2 will go into both 2. It's go into 2 one time, go into 4 twice. Multiply what's on the top, so 1 times pi times 13 times 1. That leaves us with 13 pi. Remember, we're not multiplying the pi in, just leave it. On the bottom, all we have left is a 2. Double check, can 2 go into 13? It can't evenly, so we leave it. And our answer is in inches. All right, on the second one, same approach. 2 times pi times 13 is the radius times 270 over 360. Once again, these are both divisible by 10, so we can cancel out those zeros. 27 is divisible by 9. Oops, I don't want to put that. I want to put a 3 because 9 goes into 27 3 times. 9 goes into 36 4 times. Once again, 2 goes into 4 twice and 2 once. We multiply 1 times pi times 13 times 3. That's going to give us 39 pi all over 2. Don't forget the label, feet. And we would be done. Okay, one more like this. This one's maybe a little harder because it doesn't end with a 0. So 2 times pi times the radius, which is 8, times 315 over 360. Okay, we look and we think, what can we reduce? So it's up to you on how you do this. 315, you might notice 5 goes into that. 5 would go into that 63 times. And it would go into 360 72 times. At this point, 9 is going to go into 63 7 times. It's going to go into 72 8 times. You might notice there's an 8 here and an 8 there. We can cancel those. We're left with a 2, a pi, and a 7 on top, so 14 pi. If you want, you can put that over 1, or you can just leave it as 14 pi centimeters is our label, and we are done. Hope you guys have a great day. It is a little more challenging when we're doing the reducing, but you have the skills to do it. So go ahead and give it a go. There's a Delta Math assignment. I ask you to do 5 of these. If you need help, let me know.